Welcome to my channel, Crazy Code Dunia. We started one new series on logical program called as Logical Program Practice. In each episode in this series, we focus on different logical programming concept, breaking them down into simple step. You will get step-by-step explanation of each and every program. Every program is explained well in detail with logic and execution of that program. Today, we will see a new program called as Fibonacci series or sequence. So, what is meant by Fibonacci series? So, Fibonacci series is a sequence of number. Fibonacci series is a sequence of number where each number is sum of previous two number. Fibonacci series is a sequence of number where each number is a sum of previous two number. Let's take example. Example is 0 plus 1. This is constant. The sequence of next number will be addition of previous two number. So means 0 plus 1, 1. Next will be last two number addition. 1 plus 1, 2. So now next one be 1 plus 2, 3. So next number will be 2 plus 3, 5. Next number will be 5 plus 3, 8. Like this Fibonacci series will be occur, or like this we can create a Fibonacci series in Java, or this is called as Fibonacci series. Okay, so let's jump on logic. So as I seen the example above, what I think 0 and 1 are the constant. 0 and 1 are the constant because we need first two number. So 0 and 1 it is a constant. So what I did integer first number is equal to 0. There is a nothing for this one. And integer second number is equal to 1. This is two number. I will directly take a first number as a 0 and second number as a 1 because this is constant number or it is not changing. Now I need to find next number. I need to find next number. So next number, what I say in definition, it is a sequence of sum of previous two number. Means if next number will be sum of previous two number, means 0 and 1, correct? In our example sequence 0 and 1 in first step, correct? For second it will be become 1 and 1. For third it will be 1 and 2. For next 2 and 3, like this. So what is this? So it is this, it is a first number plus second number, correct? It is first number plus second number is equal to next number is equal to next number. You got this one? Okay. Now sir, this is the logic to find? No, this is not logic to find a sequence number. This is the first step to find the first number or next number. But sir, now if I go with this logic, I will get only 0 plus 1, and every time I will get next number will be 1. For next step, this is called as step 1. Step 1. Now in next step what I will do, I will do step 2. Step 2, what is step 2 sir? Step 2, in step 2 I will assign first number is equal to second number. So why you are assigning first number is equal to second number? Let's just keep in your mind what I did here. I will explain in the program why I assign this first number into second number. Okay. Step 3. Step 3 is equal to second number is equal to next number. Let's get logic behind this one. Let's talk logic behind one. So what happened here? So if I want to find till 10 number, so for that one definitely I use for loop or while loop. So in this program we are using for loop. So let's forget about for loop as of now, because that is secondary part. Logic is the first part. Okay, so now what is my next number? Next number is first plus 0. In the first iteration, what will the value of first number? Let me here, next is equal to next number, so it will be first plus second, correct? So what will be the value? 0, 0 plus 1. So my next number will be 1. Now next number will be 1. So what I did here, I will print this. Okay, I will print this one. Okay, let's understand what I am doing here. Now next number will be 1. Now in second step, what I am doing, first number is equal to second number. So now what is our first number right now? Become first number become 1, because our second number is 1. First number become 1. This is my first step. This is my first step. So my n become 1 and f become 1. Correct? Now step number 3, iteration number 1. Iteration number 1. I will keep here iteration number 1. Iteration number 1. Okay. First n become 1, f become 1, because I am assigning second number to first number. And here second number become now next number. Next number is what is my next number? Next number is f. Next number is n, means f is equal to n. So now n is 1. Sorry, s is equal to n is 1. You got first iteration? You understand first iteration how we will solve this one? So let's understand one more time what I did here. Next, first step, next is equal to first plus second. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So n become 1 for in first iteration. Now second step, what is our second step? First number is equal to second number. So what is our second number? Second number is 1. So I am assigning to f. F become now 1. Now second number is equal to next number. So next number is now 1. So second is equal to 1. This is our first iteration. Let's go for ITR 2. ITR 2. Now what is our first number? First number is 1 boss. Second number is 1 boss. So first number plus second number, 1 plus 1, it become n become 2 now. N become 2, correct na? Just focus on my cursor. N become 2 now. Why n become 2? Because first number is 1 and second number is 1. So first plus second, n become 2 here, correct? Now first number is second number. So second number is 1. Assign 1 here to first number. So f become now, f become f become 1. F become 1 because second value is 1. Now second, for step 3, second, what is second? Guess what is second? Second is next number. So what is next number value? So next number value is 2. Next number value is 2. So now our second iteration complete here. So now I have value, next number is equal to 2, first number is equal to 1, second number is equal to 2. Let's consider iteration number 3. Iteration number 3. So what is my first number? First number is 1. Second number is 2. First plus second, oh, n become 3. N become 3. Now let's consider first number is second number, but second number we have 2. So what is first number become now? First number become 2. First number become 2. Got it? Okay. Now let's consider second number is equal to next number. So next number value is 3. So second number become 3. Okay. So you will get simple step how I just iterate each iteration. Now let's jump on logic. You will get better understanding there. Okay. I will create one class. Class name is Fibonacci series. Let's create main method, main public static void main. I am taking input from scanner, or which is called as number from scanner. So till how many number you want to find a Fibonacci series, that number I want from scanner, client. So sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. So whatever the value client is entering, it is now in sc. Now I need to store that in one variable, int number is equal to sc dot next int. So I am asking client enter the value, asking client enter number. Okay, that is fine. Now, as per seen in the notepad, what is the first logic? First number, let's consider first is equal to 0 and second is equal to second is equal to 1. This is simple logic. Then f- next is equal to 0 as of now. Next is equal to 0. Now let's check for loop. Why sir for loop? So I iterate till that number which is entered by client. So that's why using for loop. I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to number which is entered by client, I plus plus. Okay, now just go and check logic what we return. We return first step, next number is equal to first number plus second number. Second step we return first number is equal to second number, and third step we return second number is equal to next number. So same thing we need to follow here. So next is equal to first plus second. So this is our first step. Second step, first number is equal to second number, and second number is equal to next number. This is our logic. Now let's print here first number. So this is the logic to write our Fibonacci series program. So let's try one more SOP here to get visualization better. So let's save and run this program. Enter number, I will enter 10 here. So my Fibonacci series is 0. Oh, let's keep in one line. So print ln will be in next line. So if you remove the print ln, so it will be print in one line. So let's say one more time and run. Enter number. So Fibonacci series till 10 number is equal to 0, 1, 1, 2, 2 plus 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, and 21 plus 13, 34. It is 10 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So Fibonacci series till 10 number is this. In this way, we can find Fibonacci series any number till any number in Java. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.